Oh, 29.
I figured if I jumped up there and at least
Damn, I wish I could have got that 30 though. Yo, the shotgun kind of crazy.